Hello everyone, your chapter is Contemporary South Asia and today's topic is Monarchy and Democracy in Nepal. Nepal was a Hindu kingdom in the past and then a constitutional monarchy in the modern period for many years. Throughout this period, political parties and the king accepted political parties and the common people of Nepal have wanted a more open and response system of government. But the king, with the help of the army, retained full control over the government and restrict the expansion of the democracy in Nepal. So this time the king accepted the demanded for a new democratic constitution in 1990 and in the wake of strong pro-democracy movement. So this time in 2002 the king abolished the parliament and dismissed the government, thus ending even the limited democracy that existed in Nepal. So in April 2006 there were massive countrywide pro-democratic protests and the struggling pro-democracy forces achieved their first major victory when the king was forced to restore the House of Representatives that had been dissolved in April 2002. So the largely non-violent movement was led by the Seven-Party Alliance. Okay, short form is SPA. SPA full form is Seven-Party Alliance. The Marxist and social activities. Okay, so when this time, the Marxist group have agreed to suspend armed struggle and they want to constitution include the radical programs of social and economic restriction. All the parties, the SPA may not agree with the program and the Marxist and some other political groups the also deeply suspicious of the Indian government and its role in the future of Nepal. Okay, then next topic is ethnic conflict and democracy in Sri Lanka. So after independence, politics in Ceylon, presently known as Sri Lanka. Okay, this was dominated by force that represented the interest of the majority Sinhala community. Okay, so they were hostile to a large number of Tamils who had migrated from India to Sri Lanka and settled there. Sri Lanka experienced an ethnic conflict between Sinhals, the Tamils, for power sharing. LTTE demand LTT full form is Liberation Tigers of Tamil Elam. Okay, LTT full form is Liberation Tigers of Tamil Elam. This LTT demanded separate state of Tamil 1983 onwards with the support of Indian government who sent Indian peacekeeping forces there, which was not liked by Sri Lankas. So Sri Lanka has maintained a democratic political system with a considerable economic growth that is one of the fast developing countries to control population growth rate liberation economy and bears highest per capita gross domestic product despite the ongoing conflicts.